Welcome everyone to the Trick Trades trade recap for Wednesday, April 14th. Let's get into it. Locking in about $40,000 on the day here, mainly on my big trade on SPY. Really nice. Let's go over. I got 3 wins and 1 loss. We'll discuss the loss here first. We'll go into Facebook. Facebook actually did end up working out. I just got a little bit impatient with it because I was also managing out AMD and waiting for BA. BA was definitely one that I really wanted to trade, so I just simply cut my loss on it. I was fine with that. It actually held what we call standard risk, so it was fine. It was still in play, but like I said, I did get impatient. I did not manage that correctly, but it's okay. It happens to the best of us. Losing $1,025 on it. I executed into the level, and then it ended up popping up. I did not pay myself. I was kind of distracted. And then once it started washing out, I really didn't like the way that the morning was trading. And again, I just stopped out. So no excuses there, a mismanaged trade, but like I said, it happens to the best of us. Let's go over AMD. Okay, so here's my executions on AMD. Let's go into this. So AMD, absolutely flawless trade. Look at this. This is spectacular. A lot of members caught this one. So as it came down in towards that level, executed, you can see that's where I started in as it was holding here, added in right after it dumped and then popped back up, kind of reclaiming this big amount of volume coming in and getting sucked back up into that level. I was very confident with that. So executed and then simply paid myself all the way up and then stopped out as it was coming down. You can see here, it actually worked again right into that level. Not a huge trade, but members did scalp this out, and I did guide them and tell them that this was just a scalp and to be very cautious of it. So that's AMD. BA is awesome. One sec, come on here. There we go. So BA, a little bit, I missed out on a little bit of gains on this, but I was okay with that because I needed to take off in the morning. I wasn't going to be around very much. So as it came down back into the VWAP, I did quickly enter and paid myself, and then was just really patient. I wasn't going to give it much more than this. Going to give it back down to low of morning, just kind of starting in small with that, and then was just patient, paid myself on the pop back up, and then as it started kind of pissing around here, I averaged back in on this double bottom, entered, and then simply paid myself out right in here. So really nice trade, locking in 2670 on that. Now for SPY. So SPY is a really nice one. This one took a lot of patience. So let me pull this back. So you can see right here, oops, one second, let me pull this back a little bit further. Sorry, guys. So on this one here, it came up into that level. I simply averaged in. It did not stop me out. It was well within what I call standard risk on this. Was well within our risk tolerances at Trick Trades, and then simply just took every average that I could. Every opportunity that it popped up and failed, I just added back in, added some more, added some more, added some more, and then once it finally comes in, it comes in. So you can see that I paid myself on this first washout here. I waited, and then as it popped back up, I entered. I didn't like the way it was trading after that, so I just sized down just a little bit, and then I was patient with the rest. And then, as I said, I needed to take off. I did not have my phone with me, and I ended up missing this big washout. And you can see here, that was fantastic. So when I got back home right in, I think it was in this area, right on this retrace up. So that's where I paid myself out first in here. And then once it started washing out again, I just paid myself out the remaining position, locking in $37,187 on this. Very nice trade. I think we're going to see lots of really big trade opportunities coming up here soon. You know, it's funny when you see the difference between certain educators that are out there that take these ridiculous losses. You'll see my losses are always, although rare, it does happen, and they are always very small compared to my wins, always about half. You know, it's really interesting to see how some people are following the wrong educators, in quotes educators, the wrong, I call them gamblers because that's all they are, and it's only a matter of time before they blow up. So just be careful really who you follow out there, guys. You guys got to find someone and listen to someone that really knows what the fuck they're doing, or it's just going to damage you, plain and simple. So with that said, guys, if you want to come join us at Trick Trades, come to tricktrades.com/join. Go to either guidance or mentoring. If you want to choose guidance, I'll give you 20% off your first month using TT20 and for a coupon code. And if you want to join mentoring, which I highly recommend, go sign up for mentoring and use coupon code TT10. So with that said, guys, I hope you had a wonderful Wednesday, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Adios.